How to reset your Roblox avatar to default? In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to do it on iPhone, Android, or PC. First, open the Roblox app on your device and go to the Avatar section. Tap on Customize. There isn't a single button that completely resets your avatar, but you can manually remove your current items and choose the default appearance. Start with head and body. Go through the different sections, such as head, face, torso, left arm, left leg, and right leg. For each section, remove any custom items you don't want and select the standard Roblox options. You can also choose a standard skin tone and a basic face, such as the classic smile. Next, check the body or build section and choose the default body proportions if you want a more classic Roblox appearance. After that, go through your clothing section and remove any shirts, pants, accessories, or other items you no longer want. Continue checking each category until your avatar has the default look you want. And that's it. While Roblox doesn't provide one universal reset button, removing your custom items and selecting the standard options lets you restore your avatar to a default style appearance. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Roblox tutorials.